Want to play a YouTube video on repeat? In 60 seconds I'll show 4 quick ways on desktop and mobile. Method 1, on desktop, right-click the video and select loop. Method 2, add the video to a playlist, open the playlist, and tap loop. Method 3, install a browser extension to auto-repeat videos with one click. Method 4, loop a specific segment by saving start and end timestamps in a playlist or using timestamp tools. Now let's switch to mobile options. On the YouTube app, save to a new playlist, open it, then tap the loop icon. If the app won't loop, request the desktop site in your mobile browser and use the loop option there. To loop a part of a video, use web tools or apps that let you set custom start and end times. Extensions or bookmarklets can add one-click repeat controls on desktop browsers for repeated use. Recap: right-click loop, loop playlist, browser extensions, or timestamp tools. Choose the method that fits you. Try one now and loop your favorite video. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.